Do not get the girls from Instagram. So what do I mean by that? I'll tell you a short story. So कल परसों एक सीन हुआ मेरे साथ. I was just chilling. So one girl just texted me कि hey, I want to take you out. I want some advice from you. I was like ठीक है. So I वो pick किया and कारवार में गए हम लोग and we bought this ice cream and we were just sitting. So जैसे ही हम बैठे थे, so this little context, इस बंदी का एक बंदा था. Okay, so new relationship they had and she had sent me a picture. कि उन दोनों का like and she was like how are we looking, that kind of thing. So मैंने कहा yeah you look good. Okay, so बाद में fast forward to 2 months, like कल परसों की बात है, we went and बोलते हैं कि how do I get rid of this guy. मैंने कहा क्या हो गया, on paper everything look good right, what happened. बोलते नहीं यार ये बहुत चिपकू है. ठीक है, so I was like ठीक है थोड़ा context बता क्या सीन हुआ. तो बोलते देख on paper everything is good, he's look good looking guy, he's like 6 foot, you know, body अच्छी है, like everything, but I can do better. ये I can do better, she said. मैंने कहा क्या हुआ? Okay, first of all, like just give me some context कि how did you guys met. तो बोलते he had DM'd me on Instagram. तो मेरे पास ऐसे लिस्ट आई रहती है राइट बंदों के. सो मैं ऐसे ही बोर हो गई थी उस दिन, मैं देख रही थी तो ही स्टूड आउट. सो मैंने सोचा चलो चांस दे ही देता है. सो चांस दे दिया इसको एंड वी जस्ट वेंट आउट फॉर फ्यू डेट्स एंड बाद में ये क्या हो गया, ये चिपकू सा हो गया. सो इन हिज हेड इट्स अ रिलेशनशिप बट फॉर मी इट्स लाइक यार ठीक है जो भी है. सो बोलती है कि ही इज 25, आई एम 23. अब मेरे पास ना उसका ट्रॉमा बहुत है, लाइक दैट गाय हैज लॉट ऑफ ट्रॉमा एंड ही, मेरे पास अभी टाइम नहीं है कि उसको बैठ के बेबी सिट करके उसको फॉर्ज हिम फ्रॉम अ बॉय टू अ मैन. मेरे पास नहीं है. सो हाउ डू आई गेट रिड ऑफ दिस गाय. मैंने उसका सब ईगो डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया है, मैंने उसको बहुत सारी चीजें बोल दी है बट स्टिल साला छोड़ता ही नहीं है मेरे को. सो ओके, तो ये कंटेक्स्ट था. नाउ I won't tell you कि what sort of advice I give to that girl because I'm like भाई आप क्या ही बोले, अगर किसी बंदे को खुद का ईगो ही नहीं है. If the girl is disrespecting him and he is like नहीं नहीं you are the only one, मैं मेहनत करूंगा तेरे लिए, that kind of shit man, then it's already screwed, right? Okay, so मैंने इस वीडियो की शुरुआत कैसे की थी कि do not get girls from Instagram. So how and what do I mean by that? First thing, तुमने एक चीज नोटिस किया, Insta and this online thing, girls have an upper hand. Okay, so there is something called gender roles which I'll be talking about. So ये लड़कियों को क्या है, you are approaching them and that they are already sitting at a throne. तुम्हारे जैसे 100 है, 1000 है. And if a girl is good looking and if she does some kind of influencing या फिर ये रील वील बना रही है, her following is already in Ks, समझ रहे हो, 5K 10K 7K जो भी है. अगर उस बंदी को वो है and if you try to slide into a DM and somehow with luck तुम्हारे stars align हो गए and you both are together, that thing is never going to work out because first of all she already sees herself as prize. Okay, and you तुम्हारे, like again I'm imagining a scenario, practical scenario, if you're watching this video that means you're not some dude who has like 100K followers, right? And you maybe have like 200 500, चलो 1000 पकड़ लो if you've been that much active on the Instagram. So 1000 versus 10K, there's a huge gap, or 5K जो भी है, उसके followers तुमसे ज्यादा होंगे. ठीक है, I'm talking about a decent good looking girl. Okay, so there's already gap देख रहे हो. ठीक है, and then वो चलो ठीक है, even if she doesn't think of that way, तुम्हारे एक दिमाग में एक बायस आ जाता है कि ये मेरे से ऊपर है. So ये फॉलोइंग लाइक्स का जो सीन है ना, यू स्टार्ट सीइंग हर एज अ हैंड. तो इस बंदे के साथ क्या हो गया कि नो मैटर व्हाट आई डू, ये इन्फ्लुएंसर बंदी थी, नो मैटर व्हाट आई डू आई विल नेवर गेट अ गर्ल लाइक यू. सो ही इज लाइक भाई मैं छोड़ ही नहीं सकता तेरे को. तो ये चिपकू सा हो गया था. एंड गर्ल्स लाइक द गाइज हु हैव मैस्कुलिनिटी एंड हैव अपर हैंड ऑन देम, नॉट वाइस वर्सा. जेंडर रोल्स में क्या हो गया, द गर्ल इज अप एंड द गाय इज डाउन. सो द गर्ल इज द मैन, द गाय इज द बिच. That's why this ये जो dynamics है ना, it's already skewed. It's not going to be in your favor unless and until you are some kind of a dude who is doing some shit with social media. I'd hardly recommend. अगर वो गेम तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है, you can't win that game. And any girl you play with, the stakes are way too high कि तुम उसको compete ही नहीं कर सकते. So what's the best way you can do it? Unless and until you're not earning anything from social media, भाई उड़ा दो उसको, उड़ा दो. It's better to not be on Instagram. It's better to not be on any of those apps. ठीक है, वो उड़ा दो. देन कम्स द इन पर्सन रियलिटी वाला गेम. So I spoke with the girl. So I'll just give you one scenario. I spoke with this girl. ये cafe के बाहर बैठी थी. She looked cute. She was doing something with her on her phone, like shooting something. I'm like, are you some sort of influencer or something? She said, yeah, I am. तो मैं चाय लेके आ गया, उसके साथ बैठ गया, and we had this good 1.5 hour वाला conversation. Then that time she said कि she had traveled like 50 countries and she works in some big corporate. ये वो. We had a fucking awesome time. We exchanged numbers. बाद में we just hanged out. अगर यही बंदी, then I just went and saw her Insta. भाई complex आ गया. भाई 50 countries, her reels are so fucking. I'm like, मैं इस बंदी के साथ. Man, that's where I realized कि ये जो reality है, reality में you don't have those sort of biases. Okay. तो हम क्या करते हैं, जैसे ही किसी को हम प्रोफाइल देखते हैं किसी का, so we start getting कि ये पर्सन ऐसा ऐसा है. ये जो biases आ जाता है हमारे में. And we start projecting that person कि ये ऐसा ऐसा है. Man, in reality, that's not how it works. ये जो बंदी थी, like who had traveled 50 countries, down to earth, fucking down to earth. Man, we had such a nice conversation. But अगर यही मैं उस बंदी को, if I knew some data about her and seen her online, I would be in that frame कि I'm your fan. Because I can't compete. I don't even have any social media. तो तू already वहां पे 50 के 100 के जो भी है, and I'm already here. I'll already feel like भाई you're way out of my league. समझ जाओ. So how to play this game is, the best way is do not play the game. Online छोड़ दो because you can never compete. And then comes reality. In reality, you be that guy. Hey, we should hang out. Let's exchange our numbers. I can't give you my number. I'll give you my Instagram. I don't use Instagram. You don't use Instagram? सब लोग हैं Insta पे, मैं नहीं हूँ. You are that one rare guy who can walk up to her and talk. Because 2026 and forward, the skill of going and approaching people and connecting them offline is going to boom. आगे जाके, I'm telling you, this decade. Because everyone लगे पड़े phone पे. You stand out as that guy. Okay? So, even if you exchange numbers and you don't use Instagram, तुम उसके कुछ posts देख ही नहीं रहे. So, she wants validation from you. ठीक है? तो वो गेम हम फ्लिप कर देता है. We are not even playing that game. We are playing the game which we can win. Right? So, hope I made things clear. Again, like I said, क्योंकि frame and gender dynamics completely change हो जाता है वहाँ पे. That's a game which you simply cannot win. And also, the time which takes you to chase that girl and bring her out is way too much. It's a better, चीजें होनी होती है ना, 1 से 2 दिन में हो जाती है. I'm telling you, 1 से 2 दिन में. On Insta, you keep texting her for months and months and months and months on end. तुम्हारा दिमाग कभी हो जाता है. It's not worth that much कि किसी बंदी को बाहर, and that too you're just going and eating there. Because तुमने ऐसे ही फ्रेम सेट कर रखा है कि for months, अगर तू बाहर आने में ही 1-2 महीना लगा रही है, then by kiss wish and आगे की चीजें तो obviously how long she is going to take. Okay? तो उतना अगर टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना, so I straight up suggest कि you go out and play the offline game and be that guy who is different from other players who are playing in this arena. So if you like this video, please do give a thumbs up. Also, there should be a link down in the description for our school community. Again, thanks for watching. My name is Preetham and I will see you in the next one.